Hey, what's up? It's Wick for Xiaomi Fi, back with another episode of Mi-Stery BOX. And today I have one with question marks on it, so, you know. Oh yeah, that's awesome. It's the Mi 10 Pro. There's a little card here. Hey Xiaomi Fi, here comes a new Mi-Stery BOX. We've prepared a challenge for you this time. After you've experienced the device, tell us what notable features or highlights surprised you the most. All right, here we go. I have a pre-production model. I just had contact with them to clarify this. And holy cow, look at this guy. I'm gonna put in my SIM card because I'm gonna try this guy out. So after I've received the Mi 10 Pro, I've put in my SIM card so I could use it as my daily driver for the last 2 weeks. And so far, I have really loved it. And these are the 5 main points that I want to mention. First, I really love the camera. I've been around town taking some photos with the 108 megapixel main camera, which has such an amazing detail. You can even see that on such a simple photo that the amount of texture it preserves is really incredible. The portrait photo lens is like shooting with a 50mm lens on a camera, and I found myself using it quite a lot. The ultra wide angle gave me good results as well. Here you can clearly see the difference between the regular lens and the ultra wide. And lastly, there's the telephoto zoom lens that gives you up to 10 times hybrid zoom. I was really surprised at how well that came out, especially in conditions when there's enough light. These photos came out looking very good actually. Also, the video is amazing. It can shoot 8K video. Yes, that's 8K video in a phone. These videos look very good, but the file size is a lot bigger than you're used to, so you probably want to shoot most of your stuff in 4K and just shoot 8K when you're on a tripod or have a gimbal perhaps. But it's here. It's 8K video on phones. Second, I want to mention the screen. It's really nice. It doesn't matter if you're coming from the Mi 9 or any other Xiaomi phone, you will probably be impressed with the screen with its 90Hz refresh rate. This screen is slightly curved as you can see right here, but it's vibrant, it's nice for gaming, it's nice for watching videos, and I really like it. As third point, I want to mention the all-new Snapdragon 865 processor, which is a huge improvement in performance. I ran some benchmark tests that came out very well, but also in daily life scenarios it performs very good. When taking a 108 megapixel photo, it is processed right away, which was very satisfying. Also, playing games is a very nice experience. So the processor giving it this much more power is definitely noteworthy. As fourth point, I want to mention the audio. As the Mi 10 Pro has stereo speakers, you can really hear how full the sound experience is, whether you're gaming or watching videos or playing music. It's very nice. Then, as the fifth point, I want to mention the charging speed. It charges so ridiculously fast, it's actually really cool. It's that fast that you can actually see the percentage roll up whilst charging. I also need to mention wireless charging, which I personally am a very big fan of. The Mi 10 Pro supports 30 watts wireless charging, which also gets the phone up to 50% battery in no time. So charging speed and wireless charging are definitely worth mentioning. And kind of as a bonus feature, I really do want to mention 5G, as this is my first phone that actually supports 5G and it's fast. I mean, here in Shanghai, I have 5G network on my provider, and I got up to 530 Mbps download speed and 30 Mbps upload speed while being outside. The speed does seem to be capped by my provider, as they are still rolling out the 5G network here, so I assume it will improve in the months to come. Nonetheless, I am very excited with 5G though. So overall, I've been really loving the Mi 10 Pro for the last 2 weeks that I've been using it. It's got some really good features and I'm personally really excited about it. I have an in-depth walkthrough review over on my YouTube channel, and you can find me as Xiaomi Fi on YouTube, where I will be posting a very in-depth video about the camera and the audio of the Mi 10 Pro in the following days as well. So that's it for another Mi-Stery BOX episode. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!